Updating your corporate address on Kaltura is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Step 3. Find corporate information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled corporate information or company details. This is where you can manage your corporate address. Step 4. Update address. Enter your new corporate address in the designated fields. Double check for any typos or errors to ensure the information is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating the address, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save or update button and click it to confirm your new corporate address is recorded. Make sure to periodically check your corporate information to keep it up to date. Following these steps will help ensure your Kaltura account reflects your current address.